Good afternoon, folks. For those who don't know us, we are the people who got married today.
Today is only the beginning of a very exciting adventure and amazing journey. I wish you all the best in life as husband and wife.
Now, Jenny, thank you for agreeing to marry me. I have so much to thank you for. I love you with all my heart, and I appreciate all the hard work you've done. I'm sure everyone will agree that you look absolutely stunning today.
Karl. Thank you for opening your heart to me 5 years ago. It's been an amazing journey and I still can't believe how natural it is to be with you. Karl, you're the most generous and caring person I've ever met. You have shown me what it feels to be loved and taught me how to love others. Throughout our relationship, we have experienced so much together. The hardship of school and living on a budget, the joy of getting our first job, and the sorrow of my dear father passing away, and the excitement of getting our first house. You have supported me and my family through some of the toughest time of my life, and I know I wouldn't be where I am today without you.
There is no rhyme or reason why. The less it makes sense, the more we try to be closer to being known. I carry with me a part of us. There's nothing I could do or have ever done could bring me closer to being known. The one we all long to be.
Karl Valdez. I still remember vividly when you first said I love you. I was upset that you didn't let me win the board game we were playing that night. In an instant, all my self-doubt, insecurities, and fear come rushing out. I thought you would for sure run away, but instead you held me in your arms and said, I think I'm in love with you. From that day onward, you have shown me a life that I've only dreamed about. And I promise to love you more every day. Karl, I can't imagine any part of my life without you. You're my best friend and I love you.
I promise to make you laugh really loud until your jaw starts to hurt. I will always stick by your side through the lowest of lows, the highest of highs. to cry with you, and to laugh with you. I pledge to lend my strength for all your dreams because together we can move mountains. You embraced my flaws and accepted my shortcomings, and for that, I am grateful. I can always be myself when I'm with you and hope you still love me even when I'm annoying you. And I promise that when we are old and gray, we will look back on our lives and we will have no regrets. I love you and forever always.